Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Mrs. Santi, and good morning, all friends. I want to introduce myself. My name is Rinda Istia Putri from Class 1 Management Study Program. In this next opportunity, I will present a little material about financial management. There are definition, objectives, function, principle, and management. Tips understanding financial management. Finance in a company become a strong foundation for the establishment of a company. Finance is also very risky. If it is not managed properly, it will become messy and will certainly stop the running of a company. In a company, it takes its own field that takes care of the finance section, or it can also be called financial management. Financial management is the activity of planning, managing, storing, and controlling funds and assets owned by a company. Financial management must be carefully planned so that problems do not arise in the future. The purpose of financial management. This financial management must have clear objectives. There are several financial management objectives. Maintain cash flow in a company. The inflow and outflow of cash must be monitored continuously so that expenses do not swell. As a result, it can cause company loss. Cash is usually spent to buy raw materials, hire employees, and other expenses. Maximizing company finance. The task of financial management is not only to oversee finance, but also to see budget activities that are not profitable for the company that can be eliminated and replaced with activities that are more profitable for the company. Preparing the planning the capital structure must be able to balance the budget he has with the funds borrowed by the company. Maximizing profit. Proper financial planning will be able to maximize profit in the long term. Increase efficiency by budgeting the right funds in all aspects. The efficiency of the company's fund will continue to increase. Optimizing company with financial manager must also be able to read the stock market. By providing the maximum possible profit sharing to shareholders, it will certainly improve the company and give shareholders confidence to continue to invest in the company. Reduce operational risk. The right decision made by financial managers will affect uncertain business risk all the time. Ensuring the continuity of the company. Financial managers play an important role in running a company. The right decision will be able to make a company survive in business competition, but on the other hand, a careless decision will cause a company to go bankrupt. Reducing capital costs. Financial managers must make appropriate capital planning so that use of capital can be minimized in such a way. Financial management's function you should know in addition to the objectives of the financial manager above. The financial manager must also have a clear function. Don't let the financial managers have no function and just stand alone. There are several functions of a financial manager. 1. Planning. Financial planning in a company is very important. Financial planning includes managing cash, calculating profit and loss, planning cash flows. 2. Budgeting is an activity to allocate funds for all company needs. This allocation should be kept to a minimum and maximize the available budget. 3. Controlling. Controlling is a controlling or evaluation ongoing finance. Evaluation is carried out to improve the company's financial system so that the company can survive. Auditing. Auditing is a process of financial examination. Auditing the company's finance in accordance with accounting rules will avoid the occurrence of fraud and irregularities in company funds. Reporting. Reporting is financial reporting. Reporting company finance must be carried out openly and transparently in all circles of the company. This report is useful for providing information on the company's financial condition. Principle of financial management. There are also several principles of financial management that must be applied in every company. Accountability. Accountability is a moral and legal obligation contained in a company, so that it can be known where the funds were obtained, what the funds were used for, and how the company used the funds. All parties and aspects of the company must know how the funds and authority are used. Consistency. The consistency company's financial system must be carried out consistently. It does not mean that the company can replace the existing system. But with the change, it indicates an unstable use of fund life. Sustainability financial manager must be able to plan finance so that company can continue to run and live. Financial can continue to run and live. Financial manager must also have the right financial strategy. Transparency companies must be transparent and open to company finance. The company must provide information about its activities with intersperson. Accurate. Accurate, complete, and tidy finance can be easily accessed by every interest manager. Accounting standard. The accounting system that applies in every company must be that same, which means all accountants around the world can understand about the same accounting system. Integrity financial reports and records must be maintained with good integrity. Financial statement must be made as complete and accurate as possible. Management companies must be able to manage company financial properly. The company must be able to guarantee that the funds that have been budgeted can be used in accordance with the objective and financial plans that have been made previously. Tips for managing financial management. Once you know about the function, goals and principles of a financial management, we also have to know how powerful financial management tips are. Here are some effective financial management tips. Separate between personal account and company finance. Many business people still mix personal money and company money. Personal and company money should be separate. It is useful to measure the company financial condition and avoid misuse of company finance. Allocate expenditures to pay yourself even though the company is your own. Every month you have to allocate and pay yourself, which definitely suits your needs. If you borrow money at your own company, it must also be recorded as debt and must be returned. Create financial report. Financial reports are made with the aim of knowing the entry and exit of money and can find out the profit and loss of an ongoing business. Keep a record of cash projection record. Companies can know when to spend funds and when to receive funds. This record also serves to look for effort before a loss occurs in the company finance. Avoid employee stay. Money. Don't let company money be taken by employees who manage company finance. Most likely the money will be used for the personal needs of the employee. Do a stock checking. The stock of goods regularly will minimize manipulation. It often happens that the stock of goods that have been sold is written as unsold. Thus, the funds that should still exist must disappear without a clear purpose. Separate cashier and accounting section that holds cashier's money must also make its own financial statement. Cashier's money must be reported every day. This is to avoid potential data manipulation. To make this easier, you can use POS and accounting software to minimize fraud and make it easier for you to monitor your business. For maximum that has integration feature with various cashier software, for example, such as Accurate Online. Accurate Online is a cult used by more than 3,000 users of various types in Indonesia. Accurate Online also has the best feature by integrating with other software. For example, cashier software such as Mocha POS. Conclusion of the conclusion is managing company finance is not as difficult as one might think. The most important thing in financial management in a company is a transparency and honesty. Considering that financial management problem in a company are very vulnerable to manipulation. For that, do the tips that possible. Thank you, good friends. If this presentation has been complete, thank you for your attention and sorry if there are mistakes and shortcomings. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.